risk natin of cancer, no? Nag-decrease din yung risk natin ng cancer. How about your letter D? Sabi ko, in terms of rules, in terms of the org chart, no, this is your organizational conflict. Pero this is between the medical professional, the med professional against a nurse, no, between different profession. That's why our correct answer here is your interprofessional conflict. That's why our number 17 is your interprofessional conflict. Okay. Number 8. Let's proceed, ha? Screenshot muna if you like. Pero I will be sending all of them naman later. Pero it's fine. Sige. Which of the following daw, number 18, actions by the public health nurse indicates that the use of effective conflict management skill? Is it no? Okay, start. Reaction if ready na yung lahat. Okay, sige. Sige, go ahead. Action please. Okay, sige, sige. We are now on number 51, no? Number 51. Na non-average, okay ba yung nutrition or sustansyang kinakain ng patient natin? That's why that is problem with your 24-hour recall, no? Okay, marinig ba ako? Bakit low bat? Okay ba yung Okay ba yung ako? Okay. Yung ko, yung iPad. Sige lang, okay lang. Later lang yan. 10% will charge that one. Akala ko yung lobat yung microphone. 10%, i-charge ko yan. For a while. Sige. Guys, letter A yung answer natin ha. 24-hour recall, no? 24-hour recall. Sige, let's proceed. Number 96. Oh, we're almost done. And then, charge ko na yung iPad ko. Carmela asks why it is important to increase your fiber-rich food daw. Increase your fiber-rich food in the diet. Ano yung i-respond ni Nurse Juanito, everyone? The extra fiber daw requirement is needed by the fetus for growth and development. Is it progesterone has the ability to slow the peristaltic movement of the G? Adding extra fiber in the diet will help prevent constipation. All pregnant clients are advised the same thing. It's just imperative that you should do. Or I will have to ask your doctor. Ano nga? Very good. The correct answer one is your letter B. Kasi kapag we're talking about progesterone po, ano yung ginagawa ng progesterone po natin? The progesterone pala relaxes your smooth muscles, no? Relaxes smooth muscles. Meaning po, it relaxes as well para hindi mag-contract yung uterus. Uterus will not contract, no? This is what happens in your smooth muscles, no? Or your progesterone. Pero, yung ginagawa ng progesterone, it also relaxes as well your GIT. That's why, tayo ng decrease yung peristalsis causing constipation. That's why letter B is the correct answer, no? Letter B is the correct answer. Number 97, you think we're almost done, no? Ristala daw continues to expand her roles by actively participating in the activities of the health center in collaboration with your Department of Health, no? Which of the following is not included in the child health programs of the DOH? Alin dito? Adolescent screening ba? EPI or expanded program on immunization? That or is it micronutrient supplementation? Which of the following is not included? Negative answers, everyone. Sandito, of course, it's your adolescent screening, no? Hindi pa included dito yung adolescent screening natin. Okay, next. Sige. Ito po yung included sa child health programs natin. I will not discuss this further. I hope that you already better discussion with this one. Pero kinuha ito sa DOH Public Health Nursing ng ating research team, no? Ng ating research team. This is your letter A kanina. Number 98. Breastfeeding daw is the most essential. Okay, I'll charge na kasi 10% na talaga ako. No? Pero sabi, may nag-raise sa akin na student na sa letter C yung answer. Guys, I also checked this one with that organization. Sa letter C po, we can only give drops or syrups if there is an ill child, if there is an illness, no, in the child. And that is an exception na kapag yung doktor na yung mag-determine if syrups or vitamins are needed. Pero in terms of a healthy pregnancy or a healthy baby, big breast is only enough, no? Yes, yung sa book po kasi, yes, maraming mali. And I also checked that one. When I was a student in top rank, yun yung problem din. Kailangan po, you need also to know your reference, no? You need to know your references. Number 100. Check it sa mga references na sa mga books, no? No. Okay, let's proceed. 100 po tayo. Following are the benefits of breastfeeding. Ano yung benefits ng breastfeeding? Except ano dito, no? Is it to provide nutritional complete food for the young? Is it to strengthen that infant's immune system? Is it to safely dehydrate? Or is it, hindi naman tayo
Recording in progress.
Tapos na yun.
Pero please be patient with me kasi hindi ko naman alam lahat. It has been a while since I have been studying for the board exam. I was only studying on what I think, on the things that I know, and then adduction. Very limited lang siya, no, in terms of the tab. Pwede din siyang abduction and relationship with the tab. Basically po, yung kailangan lang po nating tandaan is, Jewel, yung flexion po natin is dapat po na Hindi, there's a problem with my... Your letter C. Kasi, yung ating acetone, tsaka yung alcohol, tsaka yung oils natin, these are flammable. No? These are flammable. Okay. Sige, I'm done. Sige. Thank you very much, no? Thank you very much for being with. Sige. I will send your NP2 at saka yung ating